I'm Lorna Fernandez of Goa Can. It's the 8th UN Global Road Safety Week, and we have been conducting activities all week, and today we are here at the bus stand to look at the issue of unauthorized stops by buses, because especially starting in this bus stand, because the buses are stopping anywhere they like, and we were going to draw up a plan to streamline the things. Also, buses are stopping to pick up passengers and waiting for a long time. So that is another issue that we will be looking at, and after the KTC bus stand, we will be going to other bus stops where they stop unauthorizedly. Another thing that the streamlining of this bus stand, Bob Mandrekar, he has just said to us that they have already sent a proposal to their head office to put in some aspects of parking of the buses and alighting the passengers and things in place. This has gone out in January, but till date it has not taken, financial approval has not been gotten. So we will be following up on that, which will be very helpful to the passengers, especially the city buses that stop here. Because city buses are, as soon as the shuttle buses come, the city buses reverse and go back and try to pull the passengers into their buses. So that is one very important thing, that dangerous thing that is happening in the KTC bus stand. And then from here we will be going forwards to other areas where we find, we have had complaints from the Ake area where the same thing is happening, that buses are stopping and pulling passengers from whichever side to come into my bus. So we'll be going there and having a look at that point. We are also going to stop at this Kolva circle just a little ahead going into Margam, where buses are stopping on that corner. So, go and have a look and see what we can come up with as a recommendation. And today here with Goa Can, we have the representation from the ADT's office, Enforcement South. There's Percy and Abhay Sawant, then Savaikar. And then we have the traffic police, and we have the KTCL personnel here today. We can add that to our list of issues that need looking at, and we'll certainly put that issue forward.
Because a route from bus stand to Kamath is one of the, sometimes take even 30 minutes.
Okay.
Which is been brought on many occasions.
Okay. So we will look at that. Actually, I just mentioned that we are going on this corner here where buses go out, and we're going to have a look and see what's happening there and take up that issue as well.